animals' picnic party. In a big green forest lived a bear, moose, mouse, owl, fox, butterfly, honeybee, and frog. They were friends. One day, they had a picnic. The bear brought food. The moose helped carry it. The mouse was excited. The owl looked for a good spot. The fox found a place to sit. The butterfly flew around. The honeybee buzzed by flowers. The frog hopped to a shady spot. They sat on a big rock by a stream. They ate and talked. They had honey cakes, fruit, cheese, nuts, and water. They had fun. When the sun went down, they went home. They were happy and friends forever.